Ayan guys, so ito, as you can see, ito yung una kong artwork na nature. Ayan, na talagang may specific na location. So itong artwork nito ay from Bohol. So ginawa ko to kasi gift ko sa aking father for his birthday. And then, alam nyo ba na ang Bohol na to, na artwork na to ay nakalagay sa printed on 2023 anti-TB seal ng Philippine Tuberculosis Society. Kaya, kung gusto nyong magkaroon ng ganitong artwork, just PM me here. Thank you!